That's Dosky. Dosky's doing good.
Should I text my dad and say I'm watching fireworks in 3 directions?
Yes, you should, because they don't get any fireworks in Austin this year.
Here's a question.
Look, we're recording that though. I just have it set up on the tripod.
See, I can't do that with my camera. It turns out it's a big blur. That and it's too far. And does that record voices?
It's recording us right now. Hi, Lex.
Hi, Jen. Should I text Stacy and say it? So, here's my list so far of people I'm sending it to. Here's the list of people I'm sending it to. Jen, my dad, Jasmine, Jeanette, which I put totally, Mom, Stacy.
Cool. You could also send it to Grandpa Jim if you had his number.
I don't have this.
Boom!
I feel so bad. Most of my friends,
When they're ready.
I feel so bad. Most people I'm sending the message to are in Texas.
Don't talk about food or else it would just make me hungry.
Boy, this is different than the last time we did this, Rachel, and the kids just kind of slept on us.
I know. I know, I'm the one now who's like, I'm ready to go to bed.
Jen, like I said, big blur. So
I
really,
brought out my sangria.
Jen,
Nice.
really,
Oh.
look, a big blur.
Yeah.
I want to see Lex.
What's that?
Because
Yeah, she gets better quality.
I like to be.
Hey, there's a reason I got this camera.
Hey, Bill. Bill. My secret there. I'll sit right between
Kaboom!
you two
Ba-boom!
down here. I see a golden one. It's
Oh, wow. Did you see that one? It kind of turned to fairy dust.
it also came towards us.
And you see there's little ones up there behind the trees, too.
A question for you from Harry Potter. What is Sirius Black's mother's name?
Man, what I wouldn't give to be out on the water watching.
Mom, look.
Whoa.
It was 3 different colors. Okay. I love watching all the movies.
Ooh, and that sparkled.
Bill, I got something for you. Who is Harry Potter's godfather?
I don't think you want the flash on.
I can't turn the flash off.
That's his father.
Okay.
His godfather is Sirius Black.
But Alex, if he hasn't read that book yet or seen that movie yet, he wouldn't know.
No, I'm still working on Chamber of Secrets.
Yeah, see? So he's working on the second
Then
one, so.
in the third movie, you'll see Sirius.
You having a good time, Miss Grace?
Actually, this might be better.
Uh-oh, he's getting ready to put some more on.
I wonder how it'll work if I roll.
Wow, that one was big.
It was coming towards us.
Well, this is what it looks like without
I'm only on 3rd year.
flash on.
Yeah,
Texas.
it's hard with most cameras.
You've got a pretty darn good camera.
Well, yeah, it was expensive, too.
You got that for your birthday? Yeah, it's also on Windows, but I can get it.
Anybody see the moon out tonight?
I do. The computer? It's a half part.
Oh, wow, Grace, do you see how many colors that one was?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
But it does not work on PC.
Wow.
I can't do it from such a small distance.
Well, actually, it
from such a
does
far
kind of
distance.
work on
I was going to say, if it
It's
worked
all right.
on Windows, it would have to work on it.
See, what we're going to do is we're going to record this, and we'll put it up on YouTube
dad-
and send it to your
Well, my
dad
dad
and to
said
Jay since
my
they couldn't
PC
watch
is
fireworks
too
at
old
home.
to play that one.
We miss you guys. We're sorry you're in a burn ban.
I thought it was a dry spell, but oh well, whatever.
Oh, we're recording it for Jay and Ken because all the fireworks in Austin were canceled due to the burn ban.
Oh, right, because you got
Because the
you
bad
guys
drought.
haven't had any water as opposed to the other places that are flooding.
Exactly.
Because it looks
And pictures
pretty
I
on
do manage
water.
to catch.
That one was real glittery.
Pictures I do manage to get turned out like this.
Yeah, it's hard. When you don't have a tripod, it's really hard.
Paying attention to all. So many fireworks. I can't
Wow.
see which one. I'm watching on your iPad.
That's not an iPod.
You know, when it's done.
Or a pin missile. Camera.
Look over there, Jack.
Whoa, pin missile.
Ooh. Oh, I like that one. It was like red with little white dots. Oh, that purple and sparkles. Did you see the ring in the center of that one?
I'm gonna take a picture of the moon.
Okay. Ooh.
Your favorite color?
It's my favorite colors, that's right.
They're putting off lots of green ones, then pink ones.
Oh, that one was red, white, and blue over there.
Look at my mom.
Oh!
Very cool. Happy 4th.
Whoa!
Here's what Stacy
Hey, guys.
sent. Cool. The sun is setting up
right
here.
here's where the cookies
Oh,
is
so
gonna
she's
be.
not ready for them yet.
This is where the cookies gonna be.
Yeah, if and when they come out, they may come out after the show's over. I don't know.
I hope they come out during the show.
Does it matter?
Oh, they came out during the show.
Oh, here it comes.
Yay!
Oh, Papa, you
have
are
to
awesome.
I'll have to brush my teeth again.
Yeah, I think you can handle it.
Hey, Pop, Poppy.
We've got room to sit next to
No,
Lex.
Papa, right here, Pop. Okay, Mom.
He's got to find stable footing.
Mama.
If you want to pass him up to Joel, it'll give you 2 hands free to catch yourself.
Aw, dang. I missed the fireworks.
Daddy, over here. Mom? Daddy, that way I can sit. Daddy.
I'm being mean to my friends by actually
No,
texting them
it's for
saying I'm watching
everybody. They're for
fireworks.
everybody.
Then again,
There you
it's
go.
probably mean that I'm watching fireworks
Lex,
with my dad.
can you make that
This is all
space on the
right.
end
No,
for
you
him to
can
sit?
have any.
You can sit right there on top of my jacket. It'll be cushy.
Hang on.
Mom took off. I don't know where she went.
Did you guys get some? Okay.
You guys can have some.
We wanted to let
Well,
them
you want to make sure that we share it with everybody. So take one.
Can I steal one?
Yes.
If there's enough for everybody to have 2, you can take 2.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
Now,
Just came out.
Alex, both hands. You got it?
Darn it, my fell
Okay.
on.
Yours what?
My fell on the rock.
Oh, you dummy.
Don't call me a dummy.
Well, sit still next time. Get a new cookie and sit still.
What happened?
He dropped it right into the rocks.
Hey, we don't have any cookies, Bill. Can't afford to do that. I have there's still
Okay,
there's
is
still
my
7
arms
left
long
in
enough?
there to be made. But
Got it.
There you go.
I didn't
Yummy,
make the
thank
last
you.
batch.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. Welcome.
I didn't make the last
Did
batch.
you want one, Pop?
Oh, I'll try.
Here, I got one.
Excellent.
I want to see. There's a rush.
We're recording this for Jay and Ken.
Okay.
Oh, did you see that one strike out? Oh! Mom, that one over there.
Whoa.
No, I mean the before that and before that. It was red, white, blue.
I'm
pink,
sorry you got stuck
purple.
with the ball.
What ball?
Oh, it's a
Oh.
lighting ball. A blinking ball.
I'm good. I'm fine with it.
I didn't want to drop it.
I like the ball.
You struck him with a ball.
Gracie. She tried to pass it to Bill, who immediately dropped it down into the rocks, so Rachel offered to hold it.
Do you want somewhere to hold those?
Do we have somewhere to set them? Pop, do you have somewhere to set these? Or do I need to hold them?
Whoa. You know, I think I'm going to take a movie as well.
Ooh! Oh, wow.
No, I'm taking a movie as well.
Okay.
And I don't want to drop my phone. I don't want to drop my phone.
Catch it?
Oh, that looks like a. That's what it looks like.
Ooh, there was gold dust behind the trees.
Too bad this one doesn't record.
I like the squealers.
Because they're like pigs squealing. I wonder if there's any. I wonder if there's much cookies for everybody to have too.
Well, there are a few more left on the plate.
There's enough.
Can I have
Okay,
Hang on.
one? Did you already have
hold on a moment.
Yes,
We got to get our hands free to pass it back down. Yeah, it looks like you got enough.
Okay, the kids get the lights.
Oh, I'm sorry. I keep
Gracie's
shining it
already
in your
had
face.
two.
All right.
I'm sorry I keep shining the.
All right, got it, Alex?
Got it.
Okay.
We're eating them when they're still hot. Why do we have to eat them when they're still hot?
Papa, thanks for making the cookies.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Is better
by this.
There you go.
Now the red light isn't shining in your face.
It doesn't bother me, honey.
got one extra one.
Perfect. Mommy didn't get a second.
Okay.
Well, there may be another
I didn't get a
one
second
now.
either, but you keep it.
One on there.
Get it.
Go ahead and have
Keep
one.
it.
Get.
You keep.
Nope. I already.
How about split in half?
Oh ho ho ho.
What's this?
It is warm enough you can do it.
Okay, there's your half. There's mine.
There. Problem solved.
Good thought, Gracie.
There, problem solved.
Pretty hard to not stand.
Mama,
We may have PO'd your mother down.
Well, you know what?
I wonder if I can do this.
Mom,
I don't know how to solve that,
I
Dad.
don't either, but,
Flip flop.
you know, she said, well, you either
Flip-flops.
believe me or believe her. And I said, well, you don't listen to me. I don't know what to
Flip
tell you.
flops.
And then
Your
she
flip
said,
flops are
well,
under.
that's it. And she walked out. So.
Thank you.
Hey, it actually recorded.
Yeah, I could tell how PO'd she was because she was cussing up a storm when Lex and I walked out.
She was,
Mom, can I go down to the beach?
No, you may not.
No, Dad.
No, you may not. I don't know what to tell you, Pop, because
I didn't have her duty, so I don't know. That was not my job.
it's my fault. I will go out and replace them in the morning. It's not worth arguing with her because she's going to say she's older than me and she gets what she gets.
Jen.
What about the swimming underwater? That was a cup. Okay.
Yeah, a firework immediately appearing out of the middle of the lake.
Grace, where are you going?
That's a new one.
Giving us your shoes back. Okay.
Because you weren't letting me go down.
Well, you don't need to go down. It's too dark.
Yes, I know. Yeah. The guy. The other guy from Wicked North. May I?
A thought for next year.
Hmm?
We use the rolling cooler and we put stuff in there, the food stuffs and things like that that were taken up.
We've always done that in the past, and I didn't know where the cooler was, and I was just grabbing stuff to get it out there.
It's on the
I'm
it's in
going
the
back.
garage. It just needs
No, you're sitting here.
I'll
it's
go
in the
back
cardboard. It
home.
just needs to be wiped down and prepped, you know, for you
That's
doing
fine.
something like that. It's just,
Look how many boats are parked out over there. Look underneath the moon at all the boats that are parked.
Caribbean 1 and 2 along, like when I was exploring.
Imagine seeing fireworks from the sky.
I've seen 1 and 2.
Yeah, you told me you've done that before.
But I have not seen the
It was kind of sad, knowing that on the 4th of July, I had to fly on a plane, and I couldn't sit out and enjoy it.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't get hurt if one came close to you.
Barbosa?
Yeah, the guy who owned the monkey, remember?
Barbosa.
Remember the guy who had the monkey?
Barbosa.
Jack? I mean, Alex? No.
He
By the way-
hasn't seen them since.
Like 3.
Bill, they're a scary movie for young kids.
What?
Yes, well, I was going to say, and truthfully, like the idea that he watched
do
them is
know-
not true. They were on a
By the way,
VCR.
What
Bill,
scary movie?
Bill, I know what to
Oh, they're hitting their finale. Look at that stream going up.
Kid Fuses welded in.
finale.
His
That's
beard.
the,
Well, they're at 13 and a half minutes.
Bye-bye, Black
Oh,
Beard. Wait, you seen Stranger Tides?
Yeah, I think that's all they had money for this year.
yeah.
Or have you played the game? I've seen ads. And Alex has the Lego set.
But this is more than Jay and Ken get to see back home, so
Wait, you got the Lego set where they try to take Jack's
They don't get to see a thing.
nothing.
Yeah. It is Blackbeard. No wonder you. No wonder you had Blackbeard and Jack Sparrow. Dude,
And
you're awesome. High
personal
five.
Fireworks were completely
By the
banned.
way, they have about 5
And the
cents.
Austin display,
By
the
the way,
Round Rock
you have
display,
Will Turner,
Georgetown,
right? Yeah.
Pflugerville, Dripping
Everything.
Springs,
And even they have
everything
a
up as
bunch
far
of
as
Jack
Waco was
Sparrows.
canceled.
Everything as far as
Because of the,
Waco?
But I gave one to
Because
my
of the
brother.
drought, yes.
Yeah.
Now, Round Rock has rescheduled theirs to be during
How many
the
Will
Christmas
Turners
season.
do you have? It's a heart over there.
Fireworks during Christmas.
It was a heart. That's cool.
I got that.
And a sideways heart.
And
At
it's
least
like
Wait,
Whoa.
which one did you give to your brother?
porcupine.
Jack's disappointed. Jack Sparrow. A plain old one?
Ooh, Grace, did you see that one? It was like 3 or 4 colors.
I thought you gave him
I
the
remember
one
seeing
with the,
fireworks up in California, and a coyote just ran right across.
I remember you saying that. That must have been freaky.
Not really. It was kind of funny.
Oh, that.
Do you think he was spooked by all of it?
What?
All the sound of the fireworks?
I know, I saw the two.
Maybe. We got to see fireworks from center of town and fireworks from over the mountain.
Yeah.
Wow.
They tried to eat Jack's. It was
Cool.
And then they wore him.
That almost looked like a kiss coming out of that one.
I know.
Yeah, your grandparents live in
California,
the
Sacramento, and a farm.
yeah,
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Napa Valley.
Is that there in Napa Valley?
Yep.
Oh, it's just a random rock.
Her grandfather. Her
And
grandmother
what's-
isn't.
Grandfather. And what's the name of the farm?
It's the Frediani Vineyard.
Really good.
Have you guys seen Stranger Tides? 7th movie? I
This thing has been recording 15 minutes, 16 minutes of the whole thing.
How come you just have to
All
light
noise.
his beards?
Of all of our talking.
Even the
See, we
explosions
were
going off
in-
in the distance.
Definitely we were in the valley, but I don't think we really got to what's called Napa Valley. We
No.
were in,
I got this.
You would be away from
I got
most
this
cities
from-
if you were in
I got
Napa.
this from
Napa's
Bill.
up north. It's north
Yes.
of Frisco, and we were
Yes.
south of
Why don't you
Frisco.
put
Yes.
it around its
South of
neck?
Frisco.
We
But
did
it does-
already.
Yeah, but see, it doesn't fit that well. No, it doesn't matter. It won't fall off.
It's pretty when it shines off the water, isn't it?
Yeah.
By the way, why should we have a surprise?
And you can just see some of it on the camera.
big blob when you put it on the water.
A big blobbity blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was an upside down smiley face.
What it?
A frown, you mean?
No, his eyes were down on the bottom, so it was definitely an upside down smile.
And of course, they can't see it.
Hey, Bill?
I want you to sit down up here. Stop rocking across the rocks. Silly boy.
Is that Bill?
Yes, it is. I think they're finishing up over there. The volley and the speed it's coming out.
Well, they
Can I get
haven't
it to
gotten
my
the
dad?
finale yet.
I'll tell my dad anyway.
You don't think so?
No. Finale is the one for
Daddy, I'm sorry because you guys don't get any fireworks.
You know, Gracie,
And
more than
Pearly
just your
loves
dad.
you.
I think they're
Bill,
I think
Pearly
they're-
loves you.
Gracie, more than just your dad's going to be listening, watching this.
We haven't seen any of the parts.
I know, I just telling my dad.
Yeah,
Well,
that
don't-
is their finishing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's finale.
And don't forget Uncle Ken's watching too.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Jay. Hi, anyone else who's watching this.
Hi, Red Oak.
Red Oak.
No, there's a ship.
Yeah, the people we
Bring
get
your
to.
camera out, or your.
I'm videoing.
I was going to say, bring your computer out and do a Skype.
No, I didn't because I was afraid of the lapse time if I could get signal this far out from the house.
Oh, okay.
But we'll upload this to YouTube.
was the one who's steering it and he crashed on
Can you upload something this long?
I can now. I've got my account's been approved for longer than 15 minutes.
How long is longer than 15 minutes?
I don't know. Gosh, look at that color drift down, Grace. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at it all coming out so fast. Looks almost like laser fire, doesn't it, Bill?
No, we need to listen to the performance again, where it was just, where they made a noise, laser came, laser
Mom,
light
if
came
the
out.
circles, Mom, that
again.
one looks.
Yeah.
Mom,
Whoa!
oh, they're gonna win.
They're actually taking pictures when it's close enough.
I like it when they sparkle like that, don't you, Gracie?
I know, it's coming out in 10 days. Yeah, the ones that are circles, sorry. They look like clothes.
Wow!
See the second.
Boom, 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 boom.
I don't like the first one. And then all of them. You know you can just watch from the camera.
I could.
I didn't.
Whoa, whoa, there we
Look
go.
at the camera.
I know.
Piplup!
Oh, William!
That was me. That
What
was
do they do?
Alex. Alex, no, no, no.
What do they do?
They dropped a stuffed animal.
I did.
I have a flashlight.
He got him.
Jen?
Sit. Sit, Grace.
You better make sure my dad is Jay and whoever else watches this stand really bright lights.
Yeah, wow.
You may want to take a look at the camera.
Didn't that look like gunshots?
Oh my goodness. Could you imagine being over there and hearing all those booms going off?
Try sleeping with that on.
Well, that was 2 nights ago. We had a lot of booming going on.
I couldn't even see it. It's not done, guys. Remember, it went on for a few minutes.
Did Emily come down?
They're watching from the Dye's porch.
Oh, the Dye. That's a good place to watch from.
The guys.
The Dye. Yeah.
They aren't over yet.
Oh, there's Petoskey.
Mom, they're only coming from this
Those
side
are the
now.
boats over there.
Yeah, they're all like, good job, good job.
Good job, good job. Now we get to see a second one before we end.
Yeah, Dad, I turned it. Look at my view here. Not too bad.
Well, okay, that's better.
So you said she went out for a walk?
I don't know where she went.
Okay.
I just don't know.
Yeah.
Creamy.
Whoa! Whoa!
And
Oh!
Every time they
She's
go
as bad
out,
as I feel,
Look over there.
the reality is it's just me. I'm not gonna tactfully just say nothing or back off. That just isn't where I am. And he
We're
doesn't
doing
listen.
great on the fireworks. We can go longer than they can. If they use up all the fireworks, that's what we do.
Oh, she's setting off some little ones? That would be the beginning of our...
Yeah, that's the beginning of the end.
Okay. Let's see if I can get some more.
Yeah, there you
Unless
go.
they do some aerials, it's
Oh, there.
I'm working on it.